and welcome back to my channel. Today, my friend Lane and I are going to be doing vision boards. So as you probably know, because I've been talking about this nonstop on both my channels lately, I have become obsessed with the law of attraction, and definitely a major point in doing the law of attraction is to create a vision board. So I've pulled her into this. She's behind the camera right now. And she's gonna appease me and create a vision board alongside me. So first of all, we're going to be printing off some images from the computer, just stuff that we really want to attract into our lives, and then we're going to go ahead and decorate our vision boards and put everything together, and then we will show you what they look like when we're done. Okay, you guys, so we have finished our vision boards, as you can see.
Mine looks empty.
Yeah, I know. Mine looks a little empty too. We should have made our pictures bigger. We were worried about making them too big so they wouldn't fit on there, and then we ended up having tons of room left.
What we could do, though, is like, at time, like, if you're like in a magazine and you find something that's like really inspirational,
yeah,
you could
always add things.
Like add something that's like building you up, right?
That's true. Yep. Okay, so we're going to go through and take you guys through our vision boards. So we're going to start mine off with my dream house. Not that that particularly is necessarily my dream house, but something kind of along those lines. And then I'm shooting for a lofty goal of $8,000 a month for my monthly income. I want to have a bestseller book. As you guys know, I am an aspiring author, and I would love for my book to be on the bestseller list. Also, continuing on with that is my blog. If you guys don't know, I do have a blog. It's usually linked in the description box below. I would love for that to be successful for me. Next, I would love to have 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel, either or maybe both. I mean, 1 million on both would be amazing. And then, of course, we all want that perfect body.
But you're not striving for perfection.
Well, no, I don't think she's like
She's gorgeous.
overly perfect. I think she's attainable and
Perfect.
yeah, perfect for me. Everybody's idea of perfect is different. I want to have a happy and healthy family, which I already do have, but I'd like to add a couple more kids to that and stay happy. And if you look over here, I got a picture of Love Meg and her husband Justin there. I absolutely love their relationship. I think it's so beautiful. And while I'm very happy in my own relationship, there's always room for improvement for sure. And I just want to strengthen my already really happy relationship. So here is just a list kind of reiterating all of those goals. And that's my vision board. So next we're going to move on to Lane's.
So mine is close to Holly's, but not quite. So I would also like to have a successful YouTube channel. I put in 100,000, you know, we'll keep it there. But most importantly, I'm looking for financial independence. So building my brand, able to leave my 9-to-5 job and be able to do what I love, which is be creative and have fun. Mm-hmm. I put $10,000 a month because, you know, shoot big.
Yeah.
I'm looking for not a dream house, but a beautiful condo. So I don't have to shovel sidewalks and do all that kind of garbage. Maintaining my fit lifestyle. So be lean, confident, active, and healthy. Travel the world. Travel is going to be super important to me in my ideal life. I love to experience different cultures and see everything. I will set foot on every continent of the world. And I will be able to use my travel to inspire me and my work. And then lastly, have a happy and supportive relationship or a partnership. I put a picture of Dax Shepard and Kristen Bell because I love the way that they work together. They're so supportive of each other and they're still playful and fun, and I just admire that. So
yeah, they have a great relationship.
They really do.
Awesome. So that was us making our vision boards, and we just know that the law of attraction is going to bring us everything that we want on those boards. So if you want the law of attraction to work for you, you have to go ahead and make yourself a vision board. And I would love to see yours in the comments down below. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.